Chapter 17 continued. Chapter 17 continued. Relationships of the economy. We got local economy, national economy. We got location. The importance of location is undisputed as it applies to real estate and real property. No two parcels of real estate are exactly alike because location alone creates a difference. Destination properties. Because the land is immobile, investors must find ways to direct an income stream to the property. Origin properties. Origin properties are just as immobile and fixed as destination properties, but they are not as attractive or as well suited on access routes. Exterior conditions, interior conditions, building operation expenses. Assessment of risks. Risk is the chance of losing all or part of an investment. Static risk is the risk that can be transferred to an insurer, such as the risk of vandalism, fire, and so forth. Dynamic risk is the risk that arises from the continual change in a business environment, and therefore dynamic risk can be transferred to the insurer. We got business risks, financial risks, purchase power risks, interest rate risks. Liquidity risks. Real estate investment are particularly susceptible to liquidity risks. Illiquidity. Liquidity risk is the possible loss that may incur and the investment has to be converted quickly into cash. Leverage is the use of borrowed funds to finance the purchase of an asset. Leverage is the use of other people's money to make more money. If the benefits from borrowing exceeds the cost of borrowing, it is called positive leverage. If the borrowed funds cost more than they are producing, it is called negative leverage. Business enterprise brokers normally deal in corporate transactions involving the sale and purchase of businesses that provide goods or services. Business opportunity brokers typically deal in the sale and purchase of smaller businesses, such as sole proprietorships. Difference from real estate brokerage. A business brokerage usually involves assets other than real estate, such as personal property and goodwill. Goodwill is the intangible asset attributed to a business reputation and the expectation of continued customer loyalty. 2. Value. Going concern value is the value of an established business property compared with the value of just the physical asset of the business that is not yet established. Unlike real estate, the value of a business can be allocated among shares of corporate stock. Business accounting. Income statement analysis, balance sheets, cash flow analysis, asset depreciation, taxation, a lot of stuff. Go through paper. Don't need to say here. Methods of appraising business. The methods used to estimate the business value similar to those of an appraised real property. Comparable sales analysis, reproduction or replacement costs, depreciation analysis, income capitalization, liquidation analysis. That is the end of chapter 17.